Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at silver for this week. We would want to know where this silver will be moving for this week. First, let's start with the movement on this silver. We can see that this silver, if you have to take a look at it in the long run, silver is actually on a bearish move. It is actually dropping. Therefore, sometimes we're having this bullish move, which was actually on a correction level on the weekly time frame. So let's take a look at this as kind of like a drop, then a pullback here. You can see that this massive drop was made, right? And then you can see a price came up, a pullback, then another drop was made that took out this low. So basically, when a drop is being made, it tends to break up below the previous lows, and now this is a pullback. I think this movement started since October, if I'm not wrong. September, right? That is close to October. So that movement started that way, and right now price is now starting to continue its movement, which is to actually drop. So in 6-7 months time, we should take out these lows. That is what I am watching out for. So for swing traders, I think this is an opportunity for you to actually go, especially if you want to hold it in the long term. We would, by the time before this year end, we should expect silver trading below a level of $18. So right now we are still trading at 22. So one thing I want you guys to know that there is very much likely to be a correction around this level before silver continue its downward move. So have it in mind. There is a movement, but what I'll be watching out for, let's say this week that we're predicting for and the upper one, so in 2 weeks time, this is the level that I am watching out for. I would want silver to actually hit this level, which is a level of $20. Currently, we are trading at 22.203. So this week, I am watching out for, or I'll say let us watch out for a level of 20.780. So that is what I am watching out for. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I will put a link in the comment section below. Make sure you check out the channel. What I tend to do there is put out trade that we can take and win such trade. So far, with this last week, we actually took about 5 trades. You can see a trade of Euro AUD, AUD card, natural gas, US 30. We actually won those trades. So basically, I will also be looking for a setup on silver that we are going to trade if I can get one this week. And I'm also going to put it in the comments in my Patreon channel. So once you become my Patreon subscriber, you'll be able to get an update. Do not forget, with just 20 USD, you'll be able to get it. So now downward to the daily time frame, guys. So like I said, there's kind of like a correction. I think the correction is even playing out. So we can see it here. This is kind of like a correction playing out. So guys, one thing I am watching out for is another drop. So we can see that, like I said before, we should expect a little bit of a correction. So which is a correction is actually playing out here. So if eventually price can break this low candlestick wick here, you can see at the bottom, then we will be heading straight to this level of $20.780. Like I said before, in 2 weeks time we should be able to hit this level. This week that I'm predicting for, if silver does not hit a level of 20.780, then the upper week silver should hit a level of 20.780. One of the reasons why we'll be having a drop on silver, is DXY. We've now started the bullish move on DXY, or we can say USD index. When there's a bullish move on our DXY or USD index, we tend to see any pairs we are trading to USD tends to drop. So one of those things that we are trading to USD is silver, and we are expecting a drop on silver, by the way. Now downward to the 4-hour time frame. So basically we can see that this was literally kind of like a correction, and price has given a breakout of this level. So this is a mini pullback. So one thing I'll be watching out for, again, another drop on silver. So this proves my analysis that silver for this week will be going bearish.